In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a radio player to your Shopify store. Unfortunately, since Shopify doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you'll find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this massive list of widgets right here. I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom here, and then underneath the audio section, as you can see on the left hand side, look for radio player. As you can see, it's right here. Click on that, and then that's going to take you to the radio player widgets page. From here, look for this create widget for free button and click on it. And then that's going to take you to the radio player template section. So on the left hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different radio player templates, and on the right hand side you have a little preview of what each of these templates would look like on your Shopify store. This is for desktop, but by the way. If you click right here in the top right corner, you also get a little mobile preview. But in my case, I'm going to keep it to desktop like this. And in my case, I'm going to go for this background radio here because I really like the look of that. Once you've selected the template, go ahead and click continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. I do also want to mention that this design doesn't need to be final, because in this section right here, we can actually customize it further to suit our needs. Now, the first thing we want to do, obviously, is to choose the relevant stations for the radio. In this case, this is the radio station that comes by default. So if I click on that, I can actually change the station link right here, and then change the title, and then add a relevant image right here. You can also add more than one station if you wanted to, as you can see, by clicking here and filling this out. In my case, I'm not going to change any of this. I'll keep it as it is. Then on the left hand side, you have layout, player, and style. This is where you can customize the actual widget further. So for example, if you don't want the background image to be this one right here, you can always change it to whatever you want. Then you also have text color. As you can see, currently it's white. Change this to, I don't know, yellow if you wanted to. And as you can see, it automatically changes in real time here. So you can easily keep track of any changes that you make on your kind of like widget here. But yeah, I'm not going to go for every single setting here. Feel free to customize this to your liking. And once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then your widget will be saved up. Now, what you want to do next is simply publish your widget. In order to do that, what you need to do is click publish in the top right corner of the screen right here, and then you'll be taken to the plans page. Now what we need to do here is choose a plan. Since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually choose the free plan right here. As you can see, it supports one widget. However, if you want to unlock more functionalities, or if you want to use more than one widget from Elfsight on your Shopify website, then you can always go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different ones that you can choose. In my case though, since this is just a tutorial, I'm going to go for the free plan right here by clicking select, and then I'll automatically be taken to this page right here where we can copy the code and head over to Shopify so we can integrate it. As you can see, I'm already in my Shopify editor, and bear in mind that for this particular widget, it doesn't matter where you add it. It could be on the home page, could be in your FAQ section, or could be in your blog post page. It doesn't matter because it's already predetermined in the Elfsight customization that you did. So in my case, I'll just add it to the footer, I guess, of the home page. So I'm going to click add section right here, and then you'll see this window open up. Look for custom liquid. Click on that, and then you'll see a custom liquid section added. If it doesn't open up like this, it will simply be added whatever you've added it to the section. As you can see, it's right here. Click on it, and then you'll see this custom liquid code box up here. Simply paste the code that we just copied previously from Elfsight. Give it a couple of seconds, and then your radio player should be added to your Shopify website. As you can see, it's right here, and it works as intended. So you can see I can play some radio here. I'm not going to do that just in case of copyright. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a radio player to your Shopify website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.